Hey, it's Mr. Johansson. I wanted to give a little help on this assignment about brackets and parentheses with order of operations. So I've taken the first problem from the worksheet where Jody likes to collect stamps. And you'll notice that on 3 different days, she bought 6 stamps. So that's one thing that happens, 3 days times 6 stamps. The word then means that it's something that happened different than the 3 times 6. So that's why it goes outside the parentheses. The word then is after the 3 times 6. She decided to sell 4, so we've got a minus 4. Then, so again, we have a new set of things happening. She bought 2 sets of 5 stamps. So she added to her collection a group of 2 sets of 5 stamps. She figured out how many she had, and then she divided that total into 3 groups. So she took all of this and divided by 3. This is the way you can set this up using parentheses and brackets. And then the strategy that I like to use is the kind of the drop-down method. I'm going to look for what's inside the parentheses, deepest inside the brackets first. I notice I've got a 3 times 6, and I've also got a 2 times 5. So I'm going to do those on the same line. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 5 is 10. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring down anything that I did not use. I did not use the bracket. I no longer need to use the parentheses around the 3 times 6 because there's nothing left to do inside those parentheses. I'm going to bring down the minus 4. I'm going to bring down the addition sign. And again, I do not need to use the parentheses that were around 2 times 5 because I've already done all the math inside the parentheses. I need to bring down this bracket and the divide by 3. All right, well now I look again. I don't have any parentheses. I don't have any exponents. I have subtraction. I have some addition inside the brackets. You always do left to right when they have equal orders of importance. So you do multiplication and division first, and then you do addition and subtraction. And you do those left to right. We're going to hold on to the division because we're still inside those brackets. So we're going to take, since we're just doing it left to right, we're going to go 18 minus 4 is 14. Bring down the 10. Bring down the brackets. And divide by 3. Now we're going to go 14 plus 10, and we no longer need the brackets because that's the last step. We're going to divide it by 3. 24 divided by 3 gives us 8 in each book. Sorry about my fantastic handwriting there. 8 in each book. So I hope that helps so that you can solve problems like this. Please let me know if you have any questions.